There is no secret that drinking hibiscus tea has multiple and diverse health benefits for your body. But did you know that this flower can also do wonders for your hair? Hibiscus can stimulate hair growth even from dormant hair follicles on bald spots. The benefits of using hibiscus tea on your hair: 1. It is rich in vitamin C, which stimulates the production of collagen, ensuring healthy hair growth. 2. It is rich in amino acids that nourish hair, strengthens roots, and keep hair shiny and healthy. 3. It helps condition hair, preventing dryness, frizz, and breakage. And 4. It helps treat scalp problems such as itching and dandruff. Hi guys, it is T here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new to my channel, welcome, hi, and do not forget to hit subscribe and click on that notification bell for all new videos from Hang with T. Now, you're on this video for a reason. You clicked on this video for a reason because you're probably going through the same thing that I'm going through, which is shedding. I've been going through a lot of shedding in the last, I would say, month and a half, 2 months. And I think it has to do with the rice water treatment that I was doing on my hair. Not rice water. I think it could be the length of the time that I've had the rice in the water fermented for, which is about a week. And I usually only do it for 2 days, so about 48 hours. But the last 2 times that I've done it, I let it ferment for about a week. So it could be the fact that it was too fermented for my hair didn't agree with it and caused the shedding. Or it could have possibly be the fact that of how long I had the rice water in my hair. I had it conditioned for my hair about 3 or 4 hours, and it could have caused that because I noticed the texture of my hair also changed doing that for the last 2 months. So I'll see. Like I said, I don't think it's the rice water. It could be the fact of how long I had the rice water fermented, and it could have been the length of time that I had it on my hair when I applied it to my hair. So I think that could have been the reason. Or it could have been a combination of the two, how a week-long fermented rice water, as well as the 2 to 3 hours that I had it in my hair. So with that being said, I'm going to do something. Sorry about if the camera is shaking, but I'm holding it right now. I don't have my tripod around, so I wanted to kind of do this really quick. So what I'm going to do is get this. This is hibiscus, and this is just a natural leaf. And I'm going to actually have this soak in some boiling hot water. And then once it cools off, I will apply it in a spray bottle and spray it in my hair as a treatment for the shedding. This is something that we also call in Trinidad, where I'm from, we call this sorrel, Sorrel, or Sorrell, I'm not sure, but sorrel. And we use this to make like a cold drink, kind of like a fruit punch type of thing. That's how it comes out. You just put like sugar once it sits in the water for a long time. So we use this as sorrel, which is a cold drink. Now I also use it as a tea. So I will actually, just the way I apply I'm going to apply this treatment to my hair is the same way that I will drink my tea. Just let it soak in some hot water. And once it soaks in hot water, and I'll show you what that looks like. How it looks. So now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this. Now that the water is cooled, I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle. All right, so here is the hibiscus tea. It is completely cool, so definitely when you boil the water and you put this hibiscus leaves in there, guys, definitely make sure it gets to at least room temperature before you apply it to your hair. Now, I know I mentioned that my husband got the leaves at either Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, or Sprouts. But let's just say, guys, you guys are having a hard time finding the hibiscus leaves. You could use a tea. Because it's pretty much the same thing as I did when I did the green tea. I used the actual tea bag, like I'm making regular tea, but instead of putting the sweeteners in it, I eliminate that and just apply it to my hair. So it's basically just the same thing. So as you saw earlier, I just put the leaves in a cup, and I just put some hot water in it, let it sit there for a while, let it get nice and red as you see here. And then once it cools off, I put it in a spray bottle, and now I'm going to start applying it to my hair. Now, remember I mentioned also the breakage. The breakage is real, guys. So I'm going to show you. Look at this. Look at that. That is the breakage. Thankfully, it's in the back and not in the front where you can see it. But that's where I'm having most of my breakage happen. Now, it has happened throughout. It is happening, I should say, throughout. But I'm seeing it most of the breakage happen right here in the middle of my hair. So if you see this middle patch, that's what I'm, look at that. That's what I'm dealing with right now. So, being a natural is not easy, as you all know probably. So I put my hair in 4 sections, and I'm just going to start applying this to my hair. I'm just going to massage it a little bit. I did not detangle my hair, guys. You might want to detangle yours first, but this actually also, I noticed from the last 2 times I used it, it works as a great detangler. So what I'm going to do just right now, I'm just going to apply this to my hair. All right. I'm going to then let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to go shampoo and condition my hair. And I'll show you guys what it looks like after that. I'm not going to go through the whole shampooing and all that fun stuff, because I do have a wash day video, which you can actually see right about here right now, and maybe in this description box. So you can watch that to see what my hair wash day routine looks like. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and now it's been applied to my hair. Like I said, I'm going to keep it in for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to shampoo, condition, and be back. But I will definitely tell you, I don't know if you guys can tell, it made my hand a little red, but that's to tell you how potent it is and how, how really good it is because it kind of reddened my hands just a tad bit. Not too much, but it wasn't hard to wash out. It still is a little bit red, but nothing to complain about. So definitely what I want to tell you, when you do this, definitely make sure you wear something that's dark colored. Don't wear anything that's light colored because it could possibly stain your clothes. So as you see, I have my red towel, plus I changed my shirt from the white shirt I had on earlier and I put on this red shirt because it could possibly dye your clothes if you wear light colors. It's quite possible. So definitely before you do this, wear something that's dark colored. If you want and you don't want your hands to get red, stain, you may want to wear gloves. But it wasn't hard to wash out. It still has a little bit of redness, but not much. So it's nothing that you're going to stain your hands for like a day or two. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to put on my Walmart because, we don't have to get fancy here unless you really want to. But I don't really get fancy here. I just put on my Walmart shopping bag, or if you have a shower cap, you can do this as well. And I have my good old faithful turban. This is terry. It's a terry cloth material. So I'm just going to put this in so it can kind of soak in the drips when it's coming down, because it will definitely drip. So just going to put this on for about half an hour. Like I said before, I'm going to shampoo, condition my hair, and then I'll be back. So guys, I am back. I just rinsed out the conditioner off my hair and I detangle my hair. So all I have to do now is I probably do braid it into like 3 on each side, 6 total. I'm just gonna do big chunky braids. And I didn't want to include that in this video because this video is mostly about shedding, as the title states. So that's why I'm not going to include that part of the video or that part of my hair routine in this video. But I just want to show you, I just shampooed my hair. I had the rinse in for 30 minutes exactly. I hopped in the shower and then I shampooed my hair in the 4 sections that they were in. And then I conditioned my hair. And I'm going to do another video on the best conditioner ever to detangle matted hair. Because once my hair got shampooed, it got matted. And once I put that conditioner in, it just loosened up those curls. And it was just so easy to comb through my hair. So I'm going to start that. Am I going to use rice water again? Absolutely. Rice water is good. My hair agrees with it. It just doesn't agree with my hair if I leave it in my hair for a long period of time, as well as if it was fermented for a long period of time. So next time I do rice water, just 48 hours like I was doing before, and just keep it in for maybe about 30 minutes max. So now with the hibiscus rinse, again, it really helps stop with the shedding, and I've seen that in my hair within the last 2 weeks. And I'll show you guys a picture somewhere in here. It's the same picture that's going to be on my thumbnail. What happened? My hair shedding today, last week, and then the week before. So this will be the 3rd week where I actually started seeing results from my, well, actually 2nd week since I started seeing the shedding decrease. So this is what I have, guys. This right here. This is all I have of shedding when I comb through my hair in the shower. That was it. This is it. And I am so happy to say that and to see how the hibiscus has helped my hair. I mean, I was so scared 2 weeks ago when I was combing my hair and how the chunks of hair that I had after I had shampooed, conditioned, and combed through my hair. It was just so much. And I was like, you know, I have this YouTube channel talking about do this to make your hair grow and do that to make your hair grow. And I don't ever post anything on my channel unless I know it works for me. And I do see a change in my hair with it growing and looking a lot healthier and thicker. So that I definitely do see. I will not promote anything on this channel if it does not work for me. So everything that I've posted on my channel thus far is because it worked for me and I wanted to share it with you guys. Just like with this video, I saw a drastic change in the amount of hair that was shedding from me once I started using this hibiscus rinse. I mean, this is it. This is it. This is it right here. This is it. Before, 2 weeks ago, I would have been holding it like this to show you guys. Now, I'm just pinching what I have lost doing my wash day. So I say if you are experiencing shedding, whether it's postpartum shedding, whether it's just regular shedding, because maybe something is not agreeing with maybe something that you're using on your hair, it does not agree with your hair, then definitely try to use a rinse of some sort, whether it's green tea or hibiscus tea. Because this is a hibiscus video, I will promote hibiscus right now. But disclaimer, as I always put a disclaimer in my hair videos, this works for me. And like I said earlier, everything that works for me, I promote it and share it with you guys. That if you're experiencing anything that I'm experiencing with my natural hair journey, like this video, I'm doing shedding because I was experiencing shedding, I will share it with you as long as it works for me. If it doesn't work, you wouldn't see a video from me. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. And again, if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that any new videos that comes out, which I will be having a lot of videos coming up soon, you will be notified. Have a friend or know someone that's going through hair shedding, definitely turn them on to my video and see if it works for them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.